Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to enable two-factor authentication on ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT app. Now tap on the two lines at the top of the screen. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Security. Here, tap on Authenticator app. Turn the toggle on. Now tap on Continue. Enter your password and tap Continue again. ChatGPT will now generate a setup key. Copy the code. Next, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Enter a setup key. In the account name, type ChatGPT. In the key field, paste the key you copied. Then tap on Add. Now enter the 6-digit code generated in the Authenticator app. Tap on Verify. That's it. Two-factor authentication is now enabled. Now you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.